Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and we will understand in this session the summary of the chapter 2, designing supply chain management and networks. Okay, so the designing of the supply chain network is the positioning the retailer and distributors in such way that our supply chain will perform best output. Okay, so the objective of designing supply chain management to get maximum profit. Okay, so the what is the summary we will understand in this session. So you can see on the screen summary of the chapter 2. Okay, we will understand these summaries chapter 1 also. So the supply chain network is the collection of physical location. Okay, so as we discussed that location of the physical. Okay, so this is the location like a distributors, supplier, wholesalers, because these are integrated process in which they move goods from manufacturer to the consumer. Okay, so this is the collection of physical location. Okay, then transportation vehicle supporting system through which the product and services of the firm market are managed in ultimately deliver. Okay, so main objective of the supply chain management, the all collection of physical location, transportation vehicle supporting system are managed in such way that will give us the maximum level of the output. Okay, the emerging technology and standard is now making it possible to automate the supply chain networks in a real-time mode, making them more efficient than simple trading supply chain management. Okay, so nowadays, emerging technologies are coming. Okay, so these technologies are in so automated that they are giving the real mode of making them more efficient. Okay, in simply traditional supply chain management, the all things are manually mentioned and updated, but in emerging technology standard, these things are done automatically. Okay, so in such way, how automatically comes like any raw materials inwards delivery coming in the manufacturing company, then all the materials loaded in the truck will pass through the gate. Okay, and the seal container is already sealed, and when he enter the gate of factory, there is a barcode mentioned on the seal. So only the need to scan that seal, then all data regarding the truck, what is cargo loaded in the truck will automatic update in the inventory. Okay, in the same way, this is called the automation of the supply chain management. Okay, in this process, this the the details and all things related to supply chain manage automatically. Okay, so nowadays you also have seen that the Flipkart and Amazons are these are providing the better services in automation service. Like any problems you receive in delivering the goods, okay, or you receive the damaged goods, you just raise the query on the online portal, then automatically the person will come and collect the your damaged product. So not only this, your payment will refund immediately. Okay, so they are providing very better service nowadays. Okay, on the behalf of these better services, behalf of this emerging technology and standard, it making possible to automation the supply chain okay, early as per traditional supply chain management. In the earlier day, all the thing is managed in the traditional way. Okay, now the distribution is one of the four elements of marketing mix. The other three parts are marketing mix are product pricing and promotions. Okay, so yeah, here there are four P's. Okay, in which we understand product pricing and place and promotion. So the distribution of the four elements in marketing mix. Okay, and other three is marketing mix, are the product pricing and promotions. So here the place where factory need to establish, where wholesaler need to establish. Okay, in respect of the locations around, like in Rajasthan, you have to arrange your supply chain management. So what you will do, you need to first choose your locations where supplier, where wholesaler need to be appointed, where distributor need to be appointed. Okay, so these all things need to keep in mind in place of distribution. Okay, so this is the fourth one elements, okay, which comes under the 4P: product pricing, promotion, and place. So place is under distribution center. Okay, so the distribution is a key delivery of the overall profitability of the company because it directly impact both supply chain and cost consumer experience. Okay, the distribution is very key factors you need to understand in supply chain management. The distribution is a main factor which impact the cost. Okay, uh, in distribution, you know that the main thing is the movement of goods from finished good from manufacturer to the consumer. Okay, so need to arrange the truck for the moment. Okay, so these impact the cost because the movement of the goods comes under the transportation. Okay, so overall profitabilities depend on this. Okay, if you have a good strategy of distribution, then your supply chain management will give the maximum profit. Okay, and if you don't have any good distributions for the movement of good, then your supply chain will not provide the better output. Okay, so need to understand as a strategy. Okay, and arrange the things. There is a increased number of complicated supply chain, so the distribution network design play key roles in controlling the cost of business. Okay, you know that there are increasing number of complicated supply chain management. Okay, like not delivering on the time. Okay, transportation constraint, fuel charges rises in transportation, warehouse management, and inventory management. Lot of complications comes under the supply chain management, but this supply chain need to be, distribution is the main roles which control the cost of business. Okay, so we can say if you have a goods, if you have a good distribution, then your supply chain will give better output. Since controlling of the cost of doing business is an important factor, okay, it can put supply chain network optimization. Okay, so controlling the cost is an important factor. We all know this. It can put supply chain network optimization. Okay, then goal ahead competitors and choice of distribution network can achieve supply chain objective from low cost to high responsiveness. Okay, so controlling cost is a very important factor. It can put supply chain network optimization. Okay, controlling cost means the cost cutting. Okay, so the goal ahead, the competitors, the choice of distribution network can achieve by supply chain objective from low cost and high responsiveness. If you are providing a low cost in the supply chain management, then you need to be high responsiveness. Okay, if you are the high responsiveness, if you are low responsive, then the cost will increase. Okay, so this thing need to understand. Now, distribution network design option must be compared according to their impact of customer service, cost provided to the level of service. Okay, so the distribution designing option must be compared according to the impact of the customer service. Like, okay, like you are you are managing the distributions for the customer. Okay, for the delivering goods. Okay, so in this we need to keep in mind that customers level. Okay, customer, what will impact to the customer. Okay, like as per the feedback of customer, we need to design this network. Okay, so cost to this level of services. Okay, in this thing we need to understand that the distribution network need to design in such way that will give to customer satisfaction. Okay, like inventory available. Okay, and other things which are important, that managing the system in right way. So guys, these are the first part of summary. We will understand another part of the summary in the next session. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.